Hi, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and I want to introduce you to something truly revolutionary in the world of physiotherapy, and that is the Stimpod. This cutting-edge technology from America is changing the way we treat nerve-related conditions, offering real relief where other treatments often fall short. So, what exactly is the Stimpod, and how does it work? The Stimpod is an advanced neuromodulation device that uses a unique form of electrical stimulation to target damaged nerves. Unlike traditional electrotherapy devices, the Stimpod doesn't just mask pain. It actively works to repair and reset the nervous system, helping to restore normal function and relieve symptoms. We are seeing incredible results with the Stimpod across a wide range of conditions, including Diabetic Neuropathy, helping to reduce numbness, tingling and nerve pain in the feet and hands. Post-knee surgery recovery, speeding up healing, reducing pain and improving mobility. Sciatica, aiding in the relief of radiating leg pain caused by nerve compression. Carpal Tunnel Syndrome, helping to ease wrist and hand pain, often reducing the need for surgery. Incontinence, assisting in the restoration of nerve control for bladder function. And chronic pain syndromes, including fibromyalgia, complex regional pain syndrome. These are just a few of the conditions we treat with this revolutionary technology. One of the biggest challenges people face when dealing with nerve-related conditions is that traditional treatments like painkillers, injections, or even surgery don't always get to the root of the problem. The Stimpod changes that by targeting the nerve itself, promoting healing and long-term relief, instead of just temporary symptom management. Now, here's something important to know. This treatment is not available on the NHS. The Stimpod is only available in select clinics, and I'm proud to be one of the very few in the UK offering this groundbreaking technology. If you're suffering from nerve pain, mobility issues, or any of the conditions I've mentioned, don't wait. The sooner we start working with the Stimpod, the better the results. Get in touch today to book an appointment or learn more at www.gavnoble.com. I look forward to helping you feel better, move better, and live pain-free.